Brace yourself, crypto enthusiasts. Bitcoin wild ride continues with volatile swings shaking the market. Analysts caution that Bitcoin's downward trend signals high volatility ahead, urging investors to trend carefully. According to senior market analysts, critical levels to watch include 60,300, 56,000, and 51,500. Stay vigilant, investors. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So we're starting off with, watch Bitcoin somehow go to $2 million by the end of the 2025 and both S2F and power law models are broken. Ha ha. The next one, watch out, I hear Bitcoin miners are dead. And here we could basically see all of the miners that are on the market right now, and all of them are in the pretty profits, and all of their tokens are in a pretty profits. So we know Ethereum miners who are in a huge profits, we know the render token miners who are in a huge profit. We could see Valkyrie Bitcoin miners, we could see the Riot platform, the Grayscale Ethereum Trust, we could see the Bitfarms, and Mara, the big one as well, the Clean Sparks and Cypher mining. The next one we go for, in 2010, this website was handing out free Bitcoins to anyone with the Bitcoin address. So these days, a single Bitcoin runs for over $60,000. We've come a long way from that days. 14 years exactly, they were giving Bitcoins for free. Exactly 750 Bitcoins were available at that time, and it was those were all free. So he was giving away the 5 Bitcoins per just one visitor. You just had to solve the captcha and that's all. And now it is worth $60,000 for one, and he was giving 5 Bitcoins for a single person, which is $300,000 right now, which is crazy. The next one, a bull market purchase an authentic good condition silver Tiberius denarius from the time of Jesus. So what fringe collectible would you like to purchase? And the answer is Bitcoin for sure, but all I'm saying, in the positions that we are in right now, you need to invest in something collectible or something really old or something really new. That's how you make money right now. That like do something people need, or buy something people collect, or buy something people collect and it's really old, or buy something new, which is an investment, and invest your money into something new like Bitcoin, or like new companies, or the ones that are developing something new for people like Nvidia. So that's basically how you can make money right now, and this is how most of the people doing them. You survived FTX, Luna, 3AC, Voyager, and Celsius collapsing within the same year, and I'm pretty sure you can survive an 18% pullback right into the previous cycle highs as well. Fun fact, Bitcoin is the financial asset with the largest gain in human history at 103 million%, and it still continues to grow. Until we see a meaningful drawdown in 1 year, HODL coins, the show goes on. We will likely need to see much higher prices to entice these psychopaths to part with their Bitcoin. Tick-tock. Big breaking news is $5 billion worth of Bitcoin shorts waiting to be liquidated at $75,000. The next one, the halving is in 30 days and everyone is bearish because we dropped from the 73,000 to 61,000 in a month. Everyone is going to wish they stacked more at these levels. Don't say I didn't warn you. I'm loading up on more Bitcoin at every single moment that I can. Zero regrets. The next one, do nothing. That's the position we are in right now. If you're below 70,000 and on top of the 30,000, you should do completely nothing. You should sell Bitcoins if you're holding more than if you have the price higher than $70,000, and buy Bitcoins if you are lower than $30,000 right there. The next one, Bitcoin was 40 years of work and development. And here we could see the key concepts: link times tapping, public keys as identities, Byzantine fault tolerance, digital cash, proof of work, smart contracts, peer-to-peer networks, and here we could see how it was developing for a huge amount of time, I would say, and it was discovered, the discovery was ongoing for 40 years, and now we're having something that is actually not controlled by anyone, and this is the money where you can hold your money. Bitcoin bottom should be very close or in. Why? Many believe that the all-time high happened in November 2021, fake wave B, but in my opinion it already happened in April 2021, check RSI, and Bitcoin is currently testing exactly this high from back then. So, to what levels can the decline in Bitcoin continue? Analyst announces critical levels as investors should follow closely. Bitcoin has exhibited very volatile movements in the recent days, and although it dropped below 61,000 in the morning hours, it recovered somewhat. At this point, analysts say that Bitcoin price movement indicates that the asset is in a downward trend and warn investors to be careful about high volatility. Speaking to CoinDesk, FX Pro's senior market analyst Alex Kopcikavich stated that Bitcoin is in a drawdown trend, downward trend, and shared the levels to watch. So at this point, the analyst said that 60,300, 56,000, and 51,500 in Bitcoin are critical levels to follow in the coming days. So Bitcoin remains in a downtrend within a series of lows and lower highs. As we'll be paying attention to Bitcoin dynamics and the following support levels: 60,300, which is correction to 61.8% of recent rally, $56,000 area 50-day average, and 51,500 consolidation area from February. Cryptocurrency investors should now closely follow the risk appetite in the financial market, as Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market will be greatly impacted today by the FOMC and other major central bank meetings later in this week. Bitcoin price to test 60,000, analyst warns ahead of the FOMC decision. So, prominent crypto analyst Michael Depop has issued a warning to Bitcoin investors, suggesting that a premier cryptocurrency could soon test the $60,000 mark, as the forecast comes as the Bitcoin's displays signs of bearish trend, and with the recent price actions capturing the attention of many in the crypto space. Depop explained that a Bitcoin had reached an area of interest to him, as he expressed his belief that the price might stay pretty much the same, suggesting that it could test $60,000 level around the time of the US Federal Open Markets Committee meeting, as he also mentioned that these could potentially establish a new law for the time being, and noted that the likelihood of reaching a pre-halving high was significant. Bitcoin has reached their area of interest, and I don't think will go much lower. Perhaps we'll test 60k today around the FOMC, and then we've defined the low for now, as the chances of pre-halving high to be in are significant too. Bitcoin displays bearish outlook. So the chart shared by Depop depicts a clear downward trend in Bitcoin's value, with the cryptocurrency experiencing a bearish divergence, which remains valid through the rejection at 72,000 area, as the pattern highlighted suggests a downturn from recent highs, with significant levels of support anticipated around the $60,000 mark, as this primary area for a potential low could serve as a critical juncture for Bitcoin. As furthermore, the chart underscores the recent price decline, indicating a potential drop of around 20% from its peak, as Bitcoin's inability to break above the $73,000 threshold has reinforced the bearish outlook, as was analysts predicting the possible retest of lower 60k region. So that's kind of all the information we got on today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.